Hi, this is Murtaza Ali, and today I just want to shoot a quick video about crowdfunding guaranteed. I would like to take you to the back office if you haven't got a chance to look at it. So once you log in, you will be in your back office. You will be in your back office dashboard, and on the top you can see your referral link to which you can join your people. And here you can see I've joined 2 days ago, and I'm already at gold level. If you scroll down, you can see what levels you have and how much contributions you have received so far. If you click on my account profile, you can change your profile picture, contact information, etc. On the type level views, you can see your boards and how many people you have on it. So here I am on my silver level. You can see I have 4 people, and if you hover over it, here you can see their username and who has referred them. So at first when you join, it will be only you, and once you start receiving donations, this will start to fill up. Okay. And in finance, you have wallet, upgrade contributor level, under this it will show you your current level, like mine is showing as gold, and the next level you can upgrade to. The cool feature about this program is you can only upgrade to the next level once you have sufficient balance in your wallet. And another cool feature is the auto pay contributor level. This feature will be disabled by default. You need to enable it so that once you have received 6 donations, it will automatically upgrade you to the next level without you doing anything on your part, which is again a very cool feature. And under messaging, you can message to your downline, upline, your sponsor, system admin. You can see new messages, sent messages, read messages, and deleted messages. Documents as terms and conditions and privacy policy, which you should have read at the time of read and agreed at the time of signing up. And when you click on support, you have FAQ, frequently asked questions. You can contact admin, or you can contact your sponsor. So from here you can select to whom you want to send the message to, like your sponsor, your direct referrals, free, paid members, system admin, etc. Again, this is a very cool feature which you can use from your back office to send messages to your team. And this is going viral. I am getting daily emails from marketers trying to promote this, as this is a very low cost, low hanging fruit, and everyone has $29. Like majority of the people can afford $29. So my request is to join this ASAP as soon as possible, so that you don't miss out on this low hanging fruit. Thanks for your valuable time, and I'll see you inside. Bye bye.